What are you doing, drawing?
What?
You drawing? Oh. You're a knucklehead. Look up here. I'm taking a video. Not a picture, a video. What do you want to say?
Cheese.
Cheese? Do you want to say, I love my Aunt Bee the most?
I love my EB and Moose.
You what?
I love my EB and Moose.
That's what I thought you said. You're going to town on that Magnadoodle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. Oh. Are you hugging my phone?
What?
You're a goofball.
Your phone's messed up.
Your phone's messed up.
No.
Yeah?
In my pocketbook?
What pocketbook?
My pocketbook.
You don't have a pocketbook.
I not have a phone.
Oh, you don't?
No.
So then don't judge mine.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll give you a bully
There was a beat down.
bully beat down. I'll body slam you.
Okay.
Alright? Say bye.
Bye.
Look up here.
Bye.